Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, bienvenue dans notre leçon du jour. Aujourd'hui, on va présenter les descriptions. We want to talk about the description because this is a very important lesson, the description, so that you need to use le verbe être when you describe. When you use an adjective, you usually use it après le verbe être. Let's take some examples for the adjectives. The masculine form of the word short in French, or young in French, or a little. It's petit, petit. It will be petite. So first rule, if you want to understand the descriptions, you have to know the difference between the masculine form of adjectives and the feminine form. So if you want to get the feminine of any masculine form, you need to add e at the end. So the e is the letter of the feminine forms. So petit will be petite, and also watch the pronunciation. Petit, you never pronounce the last consonant, except some like say L, F, G, but many of most of the consonants, you don't pronounce them at the end. But here, when you added e at the end to the end of the adjective, so you had to pronounce the t. Petit, petite. And also the same thing for grand. Grand, big and tall. It's a huge. Grand, it will be grande. Grand. These two consonants, you don't pronounce them. Grand, it will be grande. What if you are in between? You're not tall, you're not short, you are in between, you're average. So if the masculine form was ending by e, the feminine form was will be the same form. Don't change it. So e at the end in the masculine form stays as it is. De taille moyenne. I am average. I am not tall. I am not short. Okay. Je suis de taille moyenne. Je suis de taille moyenne. What if the last letter of the adjective was la lettre S? Donc on va doubler la lettre S. Ça sera 2 S-E, grosse, gros, grosse. Okay? I am huge, I am fat, I am big. Grosse, it's for the feminine form. Je suis mince. Je suis mince. I am thin. Mince here, it's a masculine form ending by e. It will be the same in the feminine form. So don't change it if the last letter in the masculine form was e. Mince, mince. What if you want to improve your description, like in English when you use very or quite or really? So you need to add some words just to insist on the description you've chosen. Assez, it's quite. Très, it means very. Et vraiment, vraiment, it means really. And we use these words assez, très, vraiment avant l'adjectif. Okay? Before the adjective you can use assez, très, vraiment, like in English when you use quite, very, really. Let's move on. The physical description. I will start by describing the hair and the eyes. Okay? What if you want to describe the hair? Let's start with the colors. Okay? J'ai les cheveux blonds. J'ai les cheveux blonds. J'ai les cheveux roux. J'ai les cheveux châtains. J'ai les cheveux gris. Et enfin, j'ai les cheveux noirs. Okay? These are some colors for the hair. And for the eyes, Pour les yeux, j'ai les yeux bleus, j'ai les yeux verts, j'ai les yeux marrons, j'ai les yeux noisettes. Ok? Ok? Alors, on prononce, fois encore. Ok? Répétez. Blond, blond, roux, roux, châtain, châtain, gris, noir, gris, noir. Et pour les yeux, on a des couleurs comme bleu, vert, marron, noisette, noisette. Okay? You can improve also the description with the adverbs like clair, which means light, or foncé, that means dark. So if you're describing a color and it's not clear for the one who's talking to you, so you want to tell that your hair is not that dark, so it will be a light dark or a dark a light or dark color. So we're talking here about the degree of the color. Okay, clair and foncé. J'ai les cheveux, I want to talk about the shape, long and court, mi-long. J'ai les cheveux longs, court, mi-long. That's when you see a color, when you see the hair, so you can describe it if it was tall or semi or short, and also if you're describing the girl's hair, it can be raide, as you see, j'ai les cheveux raides, okay, souple or frisé, okay, raide, souple, frisé. Alors, if you want to describe yourself, you can tell that you are grand, de taille moyenne, petit, mince, gros. And for the girls, you can choose simple adjectives like grande, de taille moyenne, petite, mince, grosse. So if you will be asked in the class to describe yourself or a friend of yours, try to choose simple words or simple adjectives so that it will be easy to be written. Je suis grand, je suis grand. Alors répétez. Je suis grand, je suis de taille moyenne, je suis petit, je suis mince, je suis gros. And for the girls, je suis grande, je suis de taille moyenne, je suis petite, je suis mince, je suis grosse. Okay? Tu es comment? Now, I'm asking you to make this essay. So you need to describe yourself in two adjectives, physical description and for the character also, and then move to your hair, then your eyes, then tell me about how tall is you and the weight. Okay, so this is an essay that should be studied hard. Let's take some examples. When I say je suis, I want you to write here two adjectives, one for the physical shape and one for the character. For example, when you say je suis intelligent, intelligent here, it's an adjective refers to the character. But when you say je suis grand, je suis long, je suis court, you're talking about the physical shape. Okay? J'ai les cheveux. Tell me the color and the shape. You can tell me that it's tall and dark, or black, or j'ai les cheveux longs et noirs. Long, tall, et noir, and black. You can tell that j'ai les cheveux blonds et courts, for example. J'ai les yeux, tell me the color. So you have to write just one word here, the color of the eyes, and tell me about the measurement, your how high are you. Je mesure, I measure my length. For example, je mesure, for example, you can tell mètre 50 ou bien mètre 40. Je pèse, tell me, je pèse, how weight. Je pèse 40 kilos, par exemple, ou 50 kilos. What if you're wearing glasses? You can tell that je porte des lunettes ou bien je ne porte pas de lunettes. Ok? Voilà, on a fini. The adjectives is very important. So when you describe yourself, I want you to focus on the physical description and its adjectives, and the character and its adjectives, and also the colors, masculine forms and the feminine forms. Okay, at the end, don't forget to study hard so that it will be easy for you to get good grades. Merci, à la prochaine.